Korea's presidential office and political parties had very different reactions to the prospect of Park Geun-hye's arrest. She was impeached on March 10th after the Constitutional Court upheld the parliamentary impeachment motion against her. Myung-kil has this story.
Shock and despair was the mood at Korea's presidential office of Cheong Wa Dae on Monday. Staff said they just could not see their former president in a prison uniform, adding the whole situation was just very sad. Over at Parliament, the Liberty Korea Party, which still counts Park Geun-hye as a member, characterized the situation as tragic.
Former President Park has not received any money, nor did she pursue her own vested interests. She has already received the highest punishment, impeachment.
Yoon said the opposition parties were exploiting the possibility of Park Geun-hye's arrest to gain an advantage in the upcoming presidential election and characterized their behavior as disgraceful. The four other political parties said prosecutors' decision to seek Park's arrest was inevitable.
More than 70% of Korean citizens say it's legitimate to jail former President Park.
History will note that if the nation's leader does something illicit, he or she will be convicted.
The minor centrist People's Party and the splinter conservative Parliamentary Party agreed.
Other accomplices in the corruption scandal have been arrested. It would also be reasonable for former President Park to be arrested. We hope the court issues the warrant.
No one can be an exception before the law. Former President Park must respect the decision of the judicial branch and sincerely repent.
The four parties also agreed that Park's arrest would be the natural result of her own misdeeds. Myung-kil, Arirang News.